Hey Lamar, what's up? Back with another video. We are busy with my Polo today. There she sits. We are going to be doing my headlining. So I bought a new headliner, black material. The car comes with the standard like whitish creamish color. And I think I've seen none of the Vivo GTs come with the black. It looks super sick in black. So the plan is we're gonna wrap it in black. It's basically there's nothing more to it. Never done this before. Watched a good couple of videos on it, but this is going to be a first attempt for me. So we're going to start by pulling the wing off the car because I need to get the headliner out the boot. So we're going to take the wing off the car and start getting the headliner out, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so you guys can see, this is the OEM headliner. These panels are, I've already wrapped those other panels there, but then I started with some other testing. See, that one's material and the front pillars are. But this one I tried a different color. I'm also going to be painting these. That one there. But I need to remove all of those panels and then start getting the headliner out, and we can start get cracking. Right, so we've got the roof lining out. It actually looks quite dope. Kind of dirty spots here and there from, just using my hands. Also got all the inside panels out. There's the roof on its own. Got the antenna cable hanging down there. It's not too bad. That's a beer. And if you look closely, you can see Auntie Fatima's stock car club over there. But yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna start peeling the old roof lining off and get ready to lay the new one.
Cruising with the windows down.
Hey yo, what's up? Kicking off the vlog again, working on the car. The headline is done, everything's sorted. We're going to be removing the inner panels, and I'm going to be painting those panels today. I'm going to only do them piece by piece, so I'm starting with the front two panels. I've already done the one side as a test. I like the way it looks. I'm definitely going to be doing that now. So I'm going to take the side panels off, or the one in the front pillars by the windshield. I'm painting those first. And then when those are done, I'm going to move to the sides and then the rears. Alright, so these are the panels that we're busy with. These are the front pillars. You can see they've got material that I've wrapped them in black. It's not too bad, but this material was fairly thin, and then I overdid it with the glue the first time. You can sort of see there's an imperfection there and there. It's not too bad. I don't know how that's going to react to coming off, but we're essentially going to just remove all this material and then sand them down and hit them with some paint.
Cruising with the windows down.
Done the first layer. The black I'm not too worried about, doesn't have to really be perfect. It's more so the color that comes after this, because we've got a bit of a special color for this. It's quite unique. It's a bit out there for some people, I think, but for me, I like what I do, and I think the color is going to really look sick. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not too bothered with the tweeters. I mean, they're there, but I'm not too bothered. So we're gonna, this is the main base coat. We're gonna lay another 1 or 2 light coats, and then it's got to sit for about 40 minutes, and then we get to lay the next color, which I'll show you guys when we get there. Alright, here we are. We've got the paint. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what we're doing. It's a Rust-Oleum color shift. I don't know how well the color shifting is picking up on camera. It looks super sick. Honestly, there's some shots with a torch, because I know when you shine a light on it works really well, but it's super sick. You can see it has a bit of a blue color to it, and then once you tilt it towards the light it goes purple and then orange. It's a really nice color. I think it's going to look super sick with the new black roof. But yeah, so we're going to test it out on these black panels. You have to do a black base coat, so that's why I painted them black first. And then yeah, that's basically it though. Let's get started. Alright, so this is number 1, or number 2, there's number 1. You can sort of see the color. It doesn't show up as nice in darkness, and obviously I just have fluorescent lights running this, but you can definitely see there is a shift in color, so it looks really good. I need to run another coat, just one more light coat on this one and then one more coat on that one. With the Rust-Oleum I tend to only run 2 coats. I don't find that I need more than that. Just good coverage on the first coat and then a light, retexture with the second one, and then these ones will be done and ready to go. It just also gives me a chance to see if there's any parts that need to be touched up. But that's basically it, and you can see it's a really simple paint to use. It basically acts like a clear coat from what I can tell, because this is how it looks when I spray it just on a piece of cardboard. I'm not too sure how well it will react to a different color, but with a black base coat this is really good. It's kind of fucking crazy. Look at that. Just the way it changes color is high-key insane. Like that. The moment the light hits it, it goes blue, and then once you get light at an angle it goes purple. which is super cool. How's it going, guys? The panels are all done. The roof is black. It looks sick. The rear panels are painted. The only thing that's still unpainted are these tabs or these covers. I'm still deciding that, and I must still paint this one. This one's still black, whereas this one over here is the color changing, which looks super sick. But it just needs a little bit of work, and I know this I painted poorly. I just tested it to see how the black was sitting. I'm gonna take that panel off anyway. But I just want to show you guys how the color shifting paint looks. Okay, if it wants to focus up, yeah. It came out really sick. Thankfully it's like at night when it's dark, you can't really see the panel's color, and then it matches the black. And then that's basically it. I'm going to see you go to the back here so you guys can see these panels as well. They come out quite nice. Not as well as the front panels did, but it's still pretty sick. So I'll get a torch on you. So you can see some of the imperfections of my poor painting skills, but the blue tends to come out really nicely when you shine a light on it. Same thing goes for these panels here. So it really does shine all different kinds of colors, which is super sick. Also depends on how you catch the light, but I think for what it is, and considering it's just a blacked out look for the front of the car, so even there you can see it's not too bright, doesn't stand out too much, but if you're physically staring at it, it looks quite nice. I just need to sort out the top pieces, but that's basically it, eh? So there you have it. Basically the install done. It looks really good. The color, like I said, it's dark in certain areas, but when the light catches it, you can see it, which is kind of nice. I didn't want it to be too in your face. So I'm really happy with the outcome. We're going to see what's going to happen in the future as far as interior goes. I'm still deciding. But that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like, comment down below what you thought, and maybe even subscribe if you guys are new. We're going to be putting out more and more content. There's quite a few on the channel, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.